Alright, we are back with the video and we have some news today that I'm gonna cover. So the first one is crypto.com that launches OG, a new prediction market experience. Their interface looks like this. Place your prediction and win. If your prediction is right, you get a cash payout available throughout the US. So different from Polymarket, which is not available in the US, this one is available in the US. Trade CFTC regulated sports, culture, politics, and more throughout the US. No user limit. Sharps, VIPs, analytical thinkers are all encouraged and winners won't be banned. So it's available to the US. The UI looks pretty cool. And if we go in on these, you can see we have the probabilities here as well. We can see the spread. So according to Grok, resolution and payouts, when the event concludes, contracts settle automatically. And resolutions rely on trusted official data sources. For example, NFL for sports results, government sports for economics, handled centrally by CDNA without user disputes. So it seems like it's different from Polymarket, where you can dispute an outcome. Here they get it from official sources and not the same way as they do on Polymarket. It's a more centralized approach which ensures quick, reliable settlements but lack decentralized verification. And then, according to Grok, upcoming features, OG plans to introduce margin trading. So borrowing to amplify bets via crypto.com's licensed futures commission merchant, making it the first prediction market with this option. So, so margin trading with prediction markets is something that is teased. And according to Grok, it's US only with some KYC. So this article is from Yahoo Finance that says Coinbase opens prediction markets in all 50 states. And this is from January 29, also relatively recent news. And we can go to Coinbase and we can see that they have all kinds of different crypto predictions. Here we actually also have a 15-minute market. So we can see Bitcoin up and down 15 minutes. So this one was opened February 12th at 1:30 p.m., which does line up. It does line up with Polymarket as well, which starts 1:30. So 1:30 and 1:30. So it does seem like these 15-minute prediction markets are in sync with each other. And let's take a look. So on Coinbase, the yes contract is at 35 cents. And here on Polymarket is 32. So there's actually already quite a gap between the yes on both of these as well as the no. So yeah, yet another opportunity to do some kind of cross-market arbitrage, which is definitely high on my priority in terms of Raven. So I do definitely want to add cross-market capabilities, cross-venue capabilities, so we can do some arbitrage that way. Now I haven't really looked more into it in terms of where Coinbase is available. I can see that it is not available in my area, but Polymarket isn't available in my area anyway. So I think if they have an API, we should be able to do that. So according to Coinbase support here on Reddit, there's someone asking about API access to the prediction markets. And unfortunately, he says, thanks for reaching out. Currently, Coinbase documents APIs for other products and prediction markets are available as an in-app feature. So as an in-app feature, meaning that they don't have an API. We'll be sure to share any updates if developer access become available in the future. So yeah, for now, we do not have any API available. And then the last kind of related news is Polymarket that files a Poly trademark So there's a lot of buzz going around whether Polymarket will release an airdrop of some kind of token. Blockratise, so the Blockratise Inc., the parent company of the popular decentralized prediction market, Polymarket, has filed trademark applications for Poly and Poly token name here, sparking fresh speculations that a token launch and airdrop are imminent. According to filings with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, the application was submitted on February 4th, 2026. So not long ago was it filed, and what people have been talking about on X is if they do some kind of an airdrop, some kind of a token, most likely they will be rewarding people with, that has actually volume. So they are talking about creating market-making bots so they can get some kind of a volume, but nobody really knows what to do and if they will do a token or if they will do any kind of airdrop. So I would not do any kind of strategy just for the sake of hoping to get some kind of an airdrop, because I feel like that is just a little bit silly. But on the other hand, if you do have profitable strategies, some kind of a market-making strategies, I do think that this is just another potential benefit trading at Polymarket, because you might actually be able to get some kind of a token airdrop, maybe later this year, but we really don't know yet. It is just speculation. We just see that they filed trademark on Poly and this Poly symbol here. So with that said, if you haven't already signed up for Raven, I will highly suggest you to do that. It is on raven.gg. This is a no-code strategy builder for prediction markets that I'm building. I'm building this in public on YouTube, and you can scroll down all the down here in the bottom and get early access. So if you place your email here down below, I will send you an email when Raven is about to launch for early access. And of course, we also have our Discord server, which is this one here that you can get access to for free. I'm gonna make sure to leave a link down below. This server here is called Poly Traders, and it's everything that relates to prediction markets building, bots for strategy and data predictions. It's about crypto and vibe coding, everything related to maybe the little bit more technical side of trading on prediction markets. There's a lot of talk and discussions about specifically trading bots. So again, I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description below. And with that said, hope you're gonna have a very nice day and see you on the next video. Bye bye.